Here I'm recording how the sensors are giving this sharp noise, and the same is happening in building nearby. Here are where kinetic strips in the pavement are placed, every year replaced. Here are those containers that are being switched on every morning. 42 Collins Avenue. Here, 42 Collins Avenue, you can hear the sensors. On this building you had paint. Building had chipped paint, and that infrastructure for energy harvesting, electromagnetic sensors generation. The car is parked here, a police car. Now another police car, dormant, is parked there and there. I'm going to show you. So these all buildings serve as smart infrastructure for energy harvesting from piezoelectric sensors, payments. Here you can, I already reported to the city manager. The sensors show that infrastructure is failing. Here is another dormant car that is harvesting energy here, and there's pavement. Kinetic strips are being placed in One Ocean condominium just behind, developer related group. And the next one where the car is developer is Crescent Heights. I'm gonna show you. Here is a ventilator that behind it those sensors are producing the sharp noise, showing that infrastructure, energy harvesting infrastructure from piezoelectric sensors is failing. This is Crescent Heights condominium that deeded 5 apartments as garage apartments. Here is the third dormant car that is harvesting energy for months. So my condominium there.